Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would work in my glue book and bring you along with me. I do have a theme for this layout of wedding cakes. I have this magazine over here, right here, that has it's like a whole thick magazine. I've been tearing apart a bunch of cool wedding photos. And my daughter got married last November, so I have like a ton of just wedding books and magazines and ideas and stuff laying around. And I really like the pictures of the wedding cakes. So I did cut out pages with wedding cakes. I cut out a bunch of other pages too, because I think I'm going to do some other layouts eventually. But today, wedding cakes. All I did was put this little flappy thing with some paper that was in my scrap box to just add a little more room, because there's a ton of wedding cakes that I want to put on here. And I'm just going to start cutting them out. Some of them I'll probably tear out. Some of them I will cut out. I don't have a plan other than getting these on the page. These are so stinking cool. I really had fun looking at all the pictures when she was getting married, and then she went ahead and decided she wanted to do tiers of cupcakes. I said, ugh, really? That's all right. It's her decision. A little disappointed though, because there's so many cool cakes. They did like a mini cake for just them, so they'd have something on their 1-year anniversary, I guess, and something to cut into. But it was just a small one. The cupcakes were what we shared with everyone. Then the cake ended up accidentally getting tossed in all the commotion when we were done at the venue. So I know she said she was going to have another one made by the people that made her cake and the cupcakes. I don't know if they ever did, honestly. I'm really not sure. I know that was the intention. This is a cool picture. All these pretty flowers. I've really been enjoying working in my glue book. There's just something freeing about not having to plan things out. I don't always like to write things down. I do a December daily. I started doing a December daily. And with the December daily, I kind of journal about key things that happened throughout the year in my December daily, like, because I don't really have things necessarily going on every day of December or every day of ever. So I put other things that happened during the year in the journal. So it becomes like sort of a little mini full year journal. And I write in that and, you know, put all the key highlights. And so therefore, anyways, point being, I don't journal all the time, every day. I'm not a strict journaler. So I like glue books because they're fun. I don't have to think, except when I'm trying to talk to you guys while I'm doing this. Because using scissors and forming sentences is not as easy as you might think. And look at all these white ones. They're so cute. Are you guys getting a glare? Hang on, let me stand up and look. No, a little bit. It's not too bad. You get the point. It's all wedding cakes all the time tonight. These are never going to all fit on the page, but I'll decide which ones I like in a few minutes. This is a tall one here. Wow. I don't know about where all of you guys are, but here in Florida, it's starting to get hot. I had a kind of like a travel journal that I keep with me, and it has a ring spine, and I stick like a glue stick in it. And it's been in the car for a while, but today I decided I needed to take it out because the glue stick was melting in there. because it's getting hot here in Florida. Alright, that's looking good. I probably should stop. I have quite a bit now. Let us see. Cut that out. See where I want to put some of the stuff down. Creating a mess. That's how I work the best. In my controlled chaos. I need to probably straighten up my craft area here because my controlled chaos is getting out of control, which is really saying something because it's chaos most of the time. But I know where everything is typically. I did lose a package that I put together of my stamps with like the little glass things. I put them somewhere, like a whole bunch of them, and that I have truly lost. And I'm hoping they did not get thrown away by accident, because that would be a serious bummer. They've been gone for months, so that could be an issue. But we won't tell my husband. Right, honey?
Yep.
My husband and I actually share an office space, so he actually hears a lot of the crafting videos that I watch, and he knows ladies by their voices and the things they talk about. Like, he knows whose son Elijah is going to be coming in the room. He knows who's going to be live on Sunday evenings. He knows who's going on a road show besides me. Woohoo! But he doesn't know what anybody looks like because he doesn't actually see the videos that I'm watching. Oh, I like that there.
Sometimes you wouldn't know even if you watched them.
Listen, Peanut Gallery. Okay. I'll cut this one out. Get it closer around here. Oh, I like the word always at the top of it and leave that on. Alrighty. Doesn't have to be perfect. I don't care about perfection in my glue books at all. And I go back and forth. Like, this right here is my backup glue. I used the last of my good glue stick earlier, so I have like a whole pack of about a dozen of those cheapo dollar store glue sticks, and they really don't work as well, but they're okay for my stuff. Like, I don't use them really on the journals that I want to sell because I worry about the longevity of them because they're not the best, but they're good to play in. So I'll have to probably run out at some point and get a good glue stick for my journals, because I'm actually working on this journal right here. It's a Reader's Digest. I decoupaged the front and the back with napkins, and I just ordered some more napkins from Wish. I don't usually order from there because it takes like super long time to come in, but I haven't had any problems with any of my orders, so you know, from that standpoint, you know, it's okay. Oh, I think that'll go right there. Ugh. Let me use my stinky glue stick. I've been trying to use up what I have as far as crafting supplies and stuff from my glue books, and even like I have so many printed pages from digital packs that I bought from, you know, different Etsy sellers, the usuals, and I really just need to use them because ink is expensive and I need to be using what I have. I'll put that there. All right. That'll work. Gotta hold that in place a little bit. So I mentioned the roadshow a few minutes ago. That's being put on by Brooke, and her channel, her Etsy shop, and her Facebook page is Recreations by Brooke. And her man are doing a road trip in like the September range, and they're stopping at several places in the United States, and they're having like a craft sort of seminar, I guess, and it's like 4 days and 3 nights, I believe. So I signed up to go to that. I think it sounds like super fun. I'm definitely excited about that. Put that right there. Alrighty. Oh, that's a little crooked. Doesn't matter. It's okay. So after I get done with this, I think I might look for some like florally type stickers maybe to just add to the pages, but I won't do that while I'm filming this. That would be just a bit of overkill time-wise. It's cute. I like that. I do that a lot. I go back and I add things to my pages until I feel like they're done or realize I'm obsessing and force myself to stop. One or the other usually happens. Oops. Yeah, it's not the best glue stick. It's okay. Alright, what do we got here? That there? I don't know. I don't like it there. I think I'll put it there. I just finished another glue book that I made. It was like giant. It was like this big, and it had like a 3.5-inch spine. That was just a bit much. It got like super heavy, and I had to reinforce it, and I mean, it was just out of control. So this time I decided to go with, you know, like a smaller book, smaller spine, a little bit smaller spine. Maybe it wouldn't be so heavy. I did use a book for the cover and then just added my own spine. Oh, let me see if I'm in frame now. Good enough. Oh, I had to get off my leg. It was falling asleep. This one's kind of plain, but I liked it. I think I'll cut a little bit out of this. Around here. Something nice about the simplicity of this one. Alrighty, where's my junk? That there. There's a lot of obviously vertical pictures because the cakes typically go that way, so that's okay. Put that here. Super cute. Stick that in there. Alright, what do we got here? I don't love those words on there, but maybe I can cover them up with something eventually. I'll just leave it. Cute. Oh, I guess I can actually cut some more of the cakes out. They didn't go as far as I thought. That's good, because I liked a lot of the pictures I thought I maybe wasn't going to be able to use. Alright, let's see what we got here. Here's one. Just cut the square out. here. Slippery little sucker. Okay. Let's see. Put that right there. Yep, very cute. Okie doke. Oh, I can already feel I missed the edge here. You don't want to miss the edge with this glue stick. It definitely won't stick. You get 0 chance if you don't get it real good with this glue stick. Okay. Oh, now that I'm making a mess over here, I'm not sure if I have any more cakes cut out. Well, that might be it for now. There was a ton more pictures in the magazine that I didn't cut out because I thought I had too many as it is, but I underestimated how many I needed. So I'm probably going to go back and cut some more pictures out. Oh, here's another one. But that's it. I'll go back and cut some pictures out when I am done. And then I will post. There's probably on my Instagram, the page itself, when it's done. And I will upload this video so you guys can see the finished product. Ooh, now that's kind of big. What to do, what to do. Oh, I wonder if I do like that, it would be cute. I don't really get all the cake, but a little bit is cute though. Oh, I think I'll do that. Let's cut that off. Sorry, cake, I'm sacrificing you. Okay, get out of the way. All right, let's see what we got here. I love it. Cute. Okay, everyone. Next time you see this page, it'll probably be completely filled with the remainder of the cakes from the magazine. I hope everybody has a wonderful rest of the week. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'd love it if you subscribe. Take care.